Does this sound familiar? You eat your favorite holiday meal, and within hours, if not minutes, you feel bloated, exhausted, or moody. The truth is, and I'm sorry to be the one to tell you, but most traditional holiday foods are inflammatory. But with a few smart swaps, you can enjoy the season without the flare-ups. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. This is part 1 of our series, Food as Medicine, Food Basics. Today, we're focusing on how to identify the most inflammatory holiday foods, the ones that leave you bloated, fatigued, or in pain. And we'll talk about how to swap them for more nourishing versions that keep you feeling good while still enjoying the holiday season. And you'll want to stick around for part 2 because we'll go deeper into building a whole food holiday plate, how to balance flavors, stabilize blood sugar, and support digestion so your body thrives through the festivities. So what exactly is the problem with holiday foods? So many holiday foods are centered around foods that are heavy in sugar, refined carbs, and processed fats. Now, these foods can trigger inflammation. And what does that lead to? Well, joint pain, bloating, fatigue, mood swings, and immune crashes. In TCM, this is called dampness and stagnation. Food that clogs your systems and really slows your energy flow. So what are the top inflammatory holiday culprits? Well, refined sugars in cookies, pies, and sweetened drinks. These spike blood sugar and it crashes your energy. Refined flour, such as what's in breads, rolls, and pie crusts. These quickly convert to sugar, feeding inflammation. Processed oils, vegetable oils, and fried or packaged foods. These increase oxidative stress. Dairy overload, creamy casseroles, whipped toppings, eggnog, these are all my favorite things, but they are mucus forming and gut irritating for many, especially me. Okay, and lastly, no surprise, but excessive alcohol, wine, cocktails, or holiday punches. These can disrupt sleep, raise cortisol, and it taxes the liver. So what are some simple whole food swaps? So for sugar swaps, we can use things like honey, maple syrups, or dates in baking. It's still sweet, but with minerals, plus they're slower release. Now for flour swaps, we could use almond flour, coconut flour, or even oat flour to make our cookies and breads. And for oil swaps, we can use avocado oil, coconut oil, or olive oil instead of refined vegetable oils. Now for dairy swaps, we can use coconut cream for whipped toppings, almond milk for eggnog, and cashew cream for casseroles. And for the drink swaps, sparkling water with citrus plus herbs can be a great swap, as well as mocktails with pomegranate or cranberry. These swaps don't sacrifice taste. They just shift the energy. And now that I've mentioned it, I think I want to try some of these myself. Okay, the holiday food audit. Before a gathering, ask yourself, which foods always leave me feeling worse? Which ones are worth it for tradition? And it can't be all of them. And then where can I upgrade or swap without losing joy? So for example, if stuffing always leaves you bloated, try a grain-free version with cauliflower rice, mushrooms, and herbs. The key here is awareness. Don't go in blind. Go in prepared. Why does this matter for longevity? Well, think of every holiday season as an opportunity. Will you leave it inflamed and drained or nourished and energized? Your choice. Consistent flare-ups add up. Inflammation today is fatigue tomorrow and chronic illness years from now. But whole food swaps build resilience. Your body feels supported, not sabotaged. In TCM, choosing lighter, warming, and whole foods keeps the digestion smooth and qi flowing freely. Here's the bonus for part 2. It's not just what you eat, it's how you combine it. I'll share the same holiday plate formula that keeps blood sugar steady and digestion happy, so you can actually feel good after meals instead of crashing. This season, let food be your ally, not your enemy. By choosing wisely, you can enjoy tradition without sacrificing your health. So until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced.